In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. This is a great way to keep all the context for a meeting in one place, so you and your attendees can quickly reference the original message without digging through your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results to open Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, just sign in the way you normally do. Once you're in, go straight to your inbox so you can grab the email you want to attach to your event. Open the specific email you'd like to include. With that message on screen, look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions. Click those three dots to expand additional options for the email. Move your cursor over the download option to reveal the available formats, and then choose Download as EML. This saves the entire email, including headers and formatting, as a single file. Your browser will typically place it in your Downloads folder by default. Make a mental note of where it's saved, because you'll need it in a moment. If your download bar shows progress, wait for it to complete before moving on. Now switch from Mail to Calendar. You can do that by clicking the calendar icon in the left sidebar. When the calendar opens, select New Event to create a fresh meeting or appointment. Give the page a second if it's still loading, then click inside the description area of the event. This ensures that when you attach the file, it's clearly associated with this event's details where attendees can find it. Next, click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Choose Browse this computer so you can upload the file you just downloaded. Navigate to your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saved the .eml file, select the email you downloaded, and confirm. Outlook will upload the file and show it as an attachment within the event. If the file is large or your connection is slow, let the upload finish before proceeding. That's it. The email is now attached to your calendar event as an EML file. Anyone invited to the event who has the right permissions will be able to open the attachment and view the original message content. This approach preserves the full email, including any formatting and metadata, so nothing gets lost in translation. It's a simple, reliable way to keep decision-making context, approvals, or instructions tied to the meeting where they matter most.